Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual monitor. Here's the cable, and we got to plug this in. This is the wall outlet. So this has USB-A out. You're going to put this in. That connector will only go one way. This has micro USB. You got to power it up. So right underneath here, that will only go one way. So the small side, look real close. The small side is up. Make sure the small side is up, put it like this. Make sure that's all the way seated. There. Looks like we can even, like it's at a quarter 20 threads, we could mount this somewhere, but it's got like a little grippy surface on the bottom. There is a button here, a light, and this is where it's going to do the sensing of the air. Okay, so as soon as you power it up, there is a blue light that's flashing. Let's go into the Amazon app. The Amazon Alexa app, and add a device. Okay, so as soon as I opened up the app, it said this popped up. I'm gonna click OK. If I didn't see that, I would click on that little plus sign, and that would let me add a device. Now the light is steady blue now. Okay, I got a notification saying your is ready to use. So let's go over what that light will mean. Once we get it set up, it will tell us the air quality of the room at a glance. Green is good, yellow is moderate, red is poor. Blue means we're in setup mode, purple means it has connectivity issues. So right now we're in setup mode. Now when you first turn it on, it says the device is currently being calibrated. And it says there's no data. Now again, around back there is a button, and I'll go over the functions of the button. Again, there's the air intake. If you press and hold, you'll be in manual setup. Quick press, it's just going to show you the IQ. It's going to show you what the air quality is. A long press is factory reset longer than 12 seconds. And a press and release quickly 5 times. It's going to 5 times in 2 seconds you power it off. Now I can hear like a little fan in there. I'll put it up to the microphone. Now, I don't hear it unless I put this right up to my ear. When it's just sitting here, I can't hear it. Okay, so when you click on this, it says calibrating, and it says it could take 7 minutes after setup is complete. And it looks like we can do temperature, humidity, parts per million, I think, CO and VOCs. And it lets us do it for the day, the hour, the month. All right, let's measure the device while we're waiting. 2.5 inches tall, or left front to back, 1 3/4 tall, 2.5, so it's a 2.5 inch cube, basically. And again, it does have like a grippy surface, but that's like a tripod, like for a camera, quarter 20 threads. So it's going to tell you particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, and then carbon monoxide, that's CO, temperature and humidity. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so that did take about 7 minutes. I've got a green light. That means I've got good air quality. And that's what it says on the screen now. Let's go to view dashboard. So it says 78 degrees, humidity's 41%, carbon monoxide's 1, VOC. So it's all green. Now something neat, you can create a routine based on particulate matter, based on CO, based on VOCs, based on temperature. So say it gets above a certain temperature, you could create a routine that's going to start something, or humidity, like turn on a fan or something. So that's kind of neat. Under settings, you can have it make an announcement. If you want, if your air quality changes, you can have it send a notification. That's kind of a neat feature. Like say if it gets above a certain temperature or different humidity or something. And then eventually, once you've got a bunch of readings during the day, you're going to be able to chart this by the hour, by the week. So that's going to be a really nice thing to do. Yeah, I'm very glad I got this. I'm excited to use it. I'm anxious to see what it finds. I love it. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.